Welcome, my dear students. We are again with the chapter 5, but today we are going to discuss the question answer. In the previous video, we had discussed the last topic of our chapter, and today we are going to deal the important question on the basis of that chapter. So, without any delay, let's start. The first question is asking, why do we need food? We have discussed a lot of things in this chapter about the food. Now the basic question of this concept, that why do we need food? Every day we are eating the different type of food in the breakfast, in the lunch, and in the dinner. And the next snack, some of the snacks or some of the snacks or some other food item, fatty item like pizza, pasta, burger, also we are eating often. So what is the need of the food in our body? So let's have a look. It gives us energy to work. You all are knowing we are doing the different type of work in our daily life. We are running, playing, walking, studying, okay, and sometimes if even we are sleeping, that time also our body parts, some of our internal body parts are working, like heart and lungs. So for doing all these activities, all the work, either you are learning or you are moving, you are dancing, whatever you are doing, even if you are thinking also, that time also we need energy. And where we are getting energy from the food. So food is the basic source of energy that we need to do any kind of work. So first is it provides energy to us. Next, it helps us to grow. If you will compare yourself, then you are growing day by day older. Okay, when you were born, you were very small, okay, and now you are grown up, and also after some time you will become adult. So day by day your body is keep on growing, that is known as growth. So this growth is also due to our food, because we are eating different type of food, especially the protein is very important for our growth, and that's why it is always advised to give more protein to the children as compared to the adult. Why? Because that is responsible for our growth. Now what is protein? Protein is also found in the food. So we can say food is also responsible for the growth. Next, it helps to repair the damaged tissue. Day by day, our some of the body parts used to wear and tear, internally also and from the external also. Sometimes we are falling, we have cut mark, we are having wound, and after some time it heals automatically, okay, without any scar or without any problem. So how our wound and the scars are healing? Because of the food. Why? Because food is also performing the repairing process, okay. It used to repair our damaged part or damaged tissues. Next, it protects us from the diseases. Yes, of course, it is the very practical example I can give you. From last 1.5 years, we are eating all that kind of food which will increase our immune system. Why? So that we can be protected from the coronavirus. If we are eating the nice food or the nutrition food, then our body will have the capacity to fight against the diseases, okay. We can fight, our body can fight against the diseases, and if we are coming across the infected person also, then our body cannot be affected, okay, if our we are having the nice immune system. And this immune system or this protection power comes from the food only. So these are the uses of the food. That's why we should eat all the time healthy food. Now question number 2 is, what are nutrients? Okay, many times I have said to you, we are eating the different kind of food. Why? Because different food are having different substances which are known as nutrients. One food cannot have all the type of the nutrients except the milk. I told you milk is having all the type of the nutrients including water. So that's why that is the best food we can take every day. Now nutrients are the substances that is present in the different type of the food. If we will talk about the rice is having the nutrients, which are with nutrients, carbohydrate. If we will talk about the vegetable and fruits, it is also having one substance that is called vitamin and minerals, okay, that is also the nutrient. So nutrients are the substances which are present in the food, and that is required for our better health and the growth of our body. Question number 3 is what are carbohydrates, and name some food rich in carbohydrate. So carbohydrate is nothing, it is also one kind of nutrient, and it is also considered as one of the energy giving food. Okay, why? Because carbohydrate provide us energy. Yes, energy, whatever we are using every day we keep on eating chapatis, rice in our daily meal. Why? Because every day we need energy, and after eating the carbohydrate, our body have the energy instantly after eating the carbohydrate. So the basic purpose of eating the carbohydrate is to provide the energy to our body. Okay, so carbohydrates are energy giving nutrients. Okay, and these are present in the different kind of food that you can see. It is present in the rice, it is present in the wheat, maize, bread, potatoes, bananas, honey, sweet things, and so on. Okay, so basically the cereals, you will see cereals are generally having the carbohydrates. Question number 4, we are going to talk about the balanced diet. Balanced diet we have discussed in the definition also. This is the diet. What is the meaning of diet? Diet means food that we use to eat every day. Diet can be anything. It can be bad diet also and good diet also. If we are eating the healthy food, that is our good diet. If we are eating the fat food and the packet food, that are bad foods. Okay, but what is balanced food? Balanced food is that type of food which will have all the 5 nutrients in them. Okay, including roughage and water. In the chapter I told you roughage is not a nutrient, water is not a nutrient, but that are very important for our daily life. Okay, so including roughage as well as water along with all the 5 nutrients are called balanced diet. But it is very necessary to be called balanced diet that nutrients should be in the proper amount. Okay, generally we are eating carbohydrate in a large amount, okay, as compared to the fat and vitamin and minerals, because vitamin and minerals are required by our body in a small amount. Fat is also required in a small amount, but what is required more, that is carbohydrate. So whenever we are eating every day, we are taking a large amount of carbohydrate and only the small amount of fat, and little more as compared to the fat, but less as compared to the carbohydrate, that is vitamin and minerals. Along with the carbohydrate we are taking the protein, a lot of protein also. So these type of diet are called balanced diet, in which we include all the type of the food which will have all the type of the nutrients, so that our body can have all the type of nutrients. Okay, every food is having different type of nutrients, so that is required. That's why we used to make different type of vegetables every day, so that our body can have different type of nutrition each and every day. So these type of food are called balanced diet. So let's read the answer one time, it will make you clear. A diet that has all the nutrients in the right amounts, including roughage and water, is called a balanced diet. Now question number 5, we are talking about the balanced diet, but what will happen if we are eating a lot of fats? Nowadays our children love pizza, burger, pasta and the outside food, okay, that are rich in fat. A lot of cheese are used, a lot of potatoes are used, a lot of oil are used, a lot of butters are used, okay, and these all are the source of fat. But if we are eating fat more than the requirement of our body, then we will face the problem that is known as obesity. So question is asking, why should we not eat excess fat rich food? If the fat will be the excess in our body, then that will start storing in our body. You all are knowing fat is not giving us energy instantly. It is giving energy after some time when we are not eating anything and our body is not getting energy. That time these fat provide us energy. But if on the regular basis we are eating fat, then they will start storing in our body, and first problem that we will face is obesity. That means our body will become very much fatter, and after that we will also face some related problem like heart diseases and the high blood pressure. Okay, that's why it is always advised to you should enjoy these kind of food, but after once in a 10 days or once in a month you can enjoy, otherwise we can have some problem related to that. Okay, so I hope you all have understood, but one more thing I want to tell you, please give the answer in your own language. It will increase your writing capability. Thank you so much for watching.